Alright, I'm gonna do a little cooking with my new air fryer here. I was at the dollar store and picked up some nice potato rounds. And these I normally would do in the oven, so I thought this would be a good test with the air fryer. So let's take a look here. Gotta push down and then out. So the inside is pretty nice. It's got this tray on the bottom here that you can take out there, so that all the grease and stuff. Alright, everything I read, you just kind of pour tater tots and all that kind of stuff just right in here, and the air fryer will just take care of it. So it's not too full, but it's a good test. Locks right. Oh, looks like it makes a little beep. Alright, let's see what kind of settings we have here. So let's turn it on. Okay. Well, it says 380 for 20 minutes. That's on the fry icon, as you can see right there. So there's a couple different settings here, and I would say that the fry icon is as close to this as we can get. So let's hit play, I would guess. Oh. There we go. I'll give you an update in a few minutes here. Okay, we're 7 minutes in here, and it's nice that the timer clocks down, or ticks down as it goes, so you know you have about 13 minutes left. And if I wanted to, I could adjust the temperature up or down here, and then let's just say I needed a little more time, I could go a little more time there too. But overall, I'm impressed so far. It's so much quieter than other air fryers that I've had before, and some just sound like a jet plane taking off, but this is just kind of like you can hear a quiet little fan in the background. But man, the aroma is great right now. Alright, let's check back here in about 3 minutes, which will be about 10 minutes on those potato coins. Okay, we're back. We're 10 minutes in, and let's take a look at what we got. So I didn't preheat it, which is this button right here, so it's kind of like your oven preheat. So I never really preheat my oven when I do potato coins, so this will be a good test. Oh boy. GBD, golden brown delicious. Alright, let's take a look how they feel. The ones that are exposed to the air are definitely nice and crispy. I'm going to set this down on the thing here and just kind of feel around. I'm just going to move them around a little bit, but wow, I can't believe how quick this thing cooked in just 10 minutes with no preheat. My oven would just be getting started. You know what, these are all, I'd say these are ready to eat right now, but you know, they stick together a little bit, but I mean, they peel up and come apart real easy. I think I'm just going to go another maybe 5 minutes, but man, these are looking great. Alright. Alright. So the air fryer is nice, you can check on it. And it goes right back to the same temp and time there. So, alright, let's check back here in a few minutes when they're done. Alright, we're back. We now are at 7 minutes left, and I think they'll be done. So let's pop this open and see what we got. Ooh. I think they look absolutely perfect in there. Nice golden brown, crispy all over. Not too crispy though. Man, I am impressed with the air fryer here. It did it much quicker than what my oven could have done. And yeah, that's just great. I'll let them cool down here and I'll do a little taste test. Alright, we're a few minutes here letting them cool down, and I couldn't help myself. I tried a few of them. you can just see the beautiful golden brown color on here, and the crispiness is absolutely perfect, and they got a little crunch when you bite into them, and that's exactly what I wanted. I'll give this thing a 10 out of 10, and I can't wait to try what's next in the air fryer.